Alright, my boys, today we're changing the speed sensor. Got our courage, changing our speed sensor on an 850K. See it right there? That tag? See that gold piece down in there? That's your speed sensor. It's held in by one 5mm bolt. Pull that 5mm bolt out. Take your pry bar and or channel locks. I use channel locks. Pop it out. Put a new one back in. Make sure all your connections are good. There's one on the other side. There's one there, and then right here behind this cable you can see is a solenoid. It's roughly the same thing. A couple 5mm Allen heads. Pops in and out. This right here will cause a myriad of issues. The one we experienced was missteering. You'd be going straight, and depending on the speed, depends on the severity of how far or how quick you go the wrong direction. You'll just be tooling along going left, and all of a sudden, bam, you're going right. While we've got it out, here's the old speed sensor, just so you can know what it looks like. Little 3-wire plug. Speed sensor pops up in there. It only goes one way. That little 5mm Allen head goes right there. Okay. Little old cowboy trick. Get you a little something on here to lubricate that so that when you put it back in, it makes it life a lot easier. There's your part number. For anybody that's wondering. We have replaced the speed sensor. Okay. Now we're going to come in here and do the calibration. You can see this has got 11,469 hours. We're going to come over here and push and hold the menu button. Takes us to service menu. We're going to go down until we hit calibrate. Now, I like to do this with either the blade and rippers up so that we're on flat ground, but I've got a bunch of tools on the ripper shanks right now, so we're going to pick up because during this calibration, this machine will move. So, we're going to go to full calibration and just follow the directions. There's two detents. There's one right there, and then it says slowly steer to left detent. Now it says slowly steer to counter rotate, which is there. Now it says slowly steer to left to counter rotate. So you're going to go all the way to the detent and then push it more. Return to no steer position, remain in no steer position. Move the FNR lever to full forward. Move to neutral. Move to full reverse. Move to neutral. Remain in neutral. Press next. Now we're going to lower our park lock levers on each side. Set engine to wide open throttle. Numbers should be fairly close. Within a few milliamps. Alright. So now we just follow the directions. That's within 5.5 milliamps on the forward. That's negligible. So we're done with that section, so we're going to press next. All you gotta do is just keep following the directions. And we're complete. So now we're going to scroll around till we hit codes. Check our active codes. No active codes. How about them apples?